A boutique closet is a boutique certified Poshmark seller that purchases inventory wholesale or directly from a distributor and is selling it to the public for the first time. Hi, my name is Alina. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller and I'm here to share my knowledge with you. You must ask yourself, okay, but what's the difference from just selling that inventory in my regular Poshmark closet versus a boutique closet, and how do I get to be a certified boutique seller? Well, the advantage is you get to shop in the wholesale market side of the Poshmark site, and you get to do more of a volume selling at a faster pace, and customer perceive the concept of having a boutique differently versus selling second-hand clothing. To start with, you must have a minimum of 10 sales and an average rating of 4.5 stars to unlock the wholesale market. To start your boutique certification, go to My Seller Tools in your main panel. The bottom 3 lines are the boutique certification information, like Get Your Boutique Started, a complete boutique certification, and Shop Wholesale. The easiest way to turn your closet into a boutique is to purchase your first batch of inventory directly from the wholesale market. After you reach the requirements, simply tap the menu on the top left to switch to the wholesale market to see if you have any access. The wholesale market is your go-to source for buying inventory when you start your boutique. There is a huge selection of categories to choose from, including men, women, kids, plus sizes, fashion jewelry, and so on, so you can sell whatever you're comfortable with. There are a few requirements as a boutique seller. Listing must be purchased wholesale or directly from a distributor and are being sold to the public for the first time. Boutique listings should only include the original photography provided by the wholesaler usually, and of course use the photos with their permission. Word of advice, don't start with a mystery box because the seller won't have the photos for that. And of course, that goes without saying, sellers should provide exceptional customer service and should comply with Poshmark's community guidelines. As a seller, you can still mix in items from your own closet, but do not mark them as boutique items when listing it. When you purchase inventory from a wholesaler, you will buy the same item in different sizes, which is nice. You can post all the different sizes in one listing, and this is one of the advantages, saving time when you list inventory. Certification has the following benefits: ability to mark your listing as boutique, allow shoppers to find you faster, obtain access to new boutique features. The certification process will take a few minutes and requires you to agree to the boutique certification requirements. It is very self-explanatory and very easy to understand. And now, some not so pleasant news. Depending on your state requirements, you need to apply for a business license or a tax ID number through your Secretary of State office for your specific state. Go to irs.gov and search EIN tax ID number. Also, make sure to get some tax advice from your CPA, as taxes for your boutique business are paid a little bit differently, again, depending on the state you're in. I am not a certified public accountant, nor do I know anything about taxes or tax ID, so please don't take my word for it. You will have to research this thoroughly before starting any kind of boutique or business. Hopefully that answers the questions of Poshers that want to go down the path of running a Poshmark boutique, and I wish you the best of luck. Don't forget to check out the video I linked above about how to become a Posh ambassador, because you will have to be one in order to have a boutique. And please hit like and subscribe if you found some value in my tutorial. I will see you next time. Bye!